Okay guys, the train is here. Heading to Manhattan.
The next stop is Beverly Road.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
As you can see, we're on 42nd Street and it's a Friday evening, so it's very busy. A lot of people coming from work. Look at this building, guys. People everywhere. This is Manhattan, one of the most expensive cities in the world. Yeah, but they're trying to find Times Square. Hello. Sorry. Do you know the direction to Times Square?
I go down to there.
Go right down that
Yeah,
table.
right down.
Alright, thank you so much. Alright. Trying to find Times Square, guys. It's a long time I haven't been to Manhattan, but as you can see, it's very busy. A lot of beautiful building. Expensive stores. Okay. Where do we go from here now? Yes. Hello, sir. We're trying to find Times Square. Yeah, Times Square. That way?
City.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay guys, we are heading to Times Square. I think it's about 3 minutes away. Okay guys, this is Times Square. This is where everybody talk about. This is where we have the big gathering on New Year's night. As you can see, it's very busy on a Friday evening. A lot of people everywhere. This is the ABC news station right at Times Square. And right there, as you can see, that's where they have the ball drop. All the way down from up there. So they have a small ball there that when visitors come, you can take pictures. Very beautiful. All around. This is New York at its best. The people, the places, and that is why New York and love New York so much. You have people from everywhere who come to visit just to see the beauty of Manhattan. Right in the heart of Times Square. Everybody enjoying it, even the very birds. Even the very birds enjoying a nice Friday evening out. You have families are here, people coming from work. People just relaxing. Great place to visit on a Friday evening. I tried to get an interview, but it was difficult because New Yorkers don't like to talk to strangers. And many do not want to be on camera. They're camera shy. So we can just look around. So they have chairs and tables that you can sit with your family and have a good time. You have the crispy, juicy chicken, new double stack burger, and you have people from every walks of life. That's what makes New York so special. You have white, you have black, you have Chinese, you have Hispanic, you have people from every race. And they all come together to make New York the place that it is. I know there are other beautiful cities, but New York is unique. This is the U.S. Army Recruiting Center. If you want to be a part of the U.S. Army, you can come right here and you can do your recruitment. Right across there we have the New York Police Department. And over there we have the NASDAQ side. New York Times Square. Hope you're enjoying the scenery, guys. This is the best place to be on a Friday afternoon. As you can see, it's very busy. People having fun, taking pictures with their family. This is what Manhattan look like on a Friday afternoon when it's not so cold, everybody having fun. The traffic. People.